Alright, dude, this case is so nice for the price of this. So I think I need this tool. So I think I need this tool to open up the screw in the case. I'm assuming these screws go with the case as well. The feet. More screws. Alright. Stabilizers, which we're not using. So there's pads. I may use the pads. You know, probably don't necessarily need them. Like these pads go on the PCB. I could use these still. I may still use those. Probably don't really need them because of the stabilizer I have, but these are the stabilizers that came. Are these already clipped and everything? Stems. Oh yeah. Cable, which I'm not going to use because it's gross. Cable. And then this is the case. So it comes apart. Just unscrew it, and then there's more screws here. So there's 8 screws total, looks like. Case foam. Then this is this plate and silicone. PCB. Hot swap PCB. All right. All right, let's open this up. Hard to see in there. Okay, it's not my favorite method of getting these screws out, TBH. Oh, 12900K. $4,600. That's just for a regular 3080. So this one's gonna go this way. Back in, please. Thank you. I remember these were kind of hard to get put in the. How's it sound? It goes down like this. Okay. I mean, I'm not putting literally every single part of this on YouTube. Just not gonna happen. It'll probably be a little easier, to be honest. Didn't know this was a... Not just any Roblox characters, anime Roblox characters. Alright, let's do the rest of the switches. These are, again, Kailh box blacks, not lube. I wish they were lube, but they're not. I think eventually what I'm gonna do is probably, if I get like NK creams, I'm gonna put them on my main board. So now we're just installing all my switches. Feels good, man. I hope I have enough. So I have a couple bent ones, but I think I have enough. I think there's plenty. My fans love me. Oh, I'm too short. The fuck? Okay. So far, so good. Okay, so that one was a check. That one is dead. Okay. Good. It's the last one. Put it in this way. Make sure. That's what I think. Right. Just like computer builds, does anything ever go to plan most of the time? Sorry. I mean, we're almost done. I just got to put the keycaps on after this. Turn off the RGB. Let's slide around. Escape. Yeah, these are a little scratchy. I need to replace these with something different, to be honest. I mean, I can always map these to be like, I might put, there's definitely some like flex in this. Like I may make this function. All right. All white. All white. Looks pretty good.